Here's a comprehensive look at the key developments shaping Maharashtra this week. This is Maharashtra 360. A major infrastructure push is in North Maharashtra. Chief Minister Fadnavis laid the foundation stone for the expansion of the Nasik airport. Now, this project is expected to significantly enhance regional connectivity and support the fast-growing industrial belt across North Maharashtra. With improved cargo handling and logistics capabilities, the expanded airport is now set to become a critical gateway for trade, manufacturing and exports.
3 पटीने या ठिकाणी एअरपोर्टची क्षमता आपण वाढवतो. 300 प्रवासी प्रति तासाच्या ऐवजी 1000 प्रवासी प्रति तास हे आपण त्या ठिकाणी आता हाताळू शकू आणि जवळपास 6 ऐवजी आता 12 विमानांचं पार्किंग या ठिकाणी येईल. 24 चेक इन काउंटर असतील, गेट लाऊंज असेल, फूड कोर्ट असेल आणि दोन्ही टर्मिनलला त्या ठिकाणी जोडण्याचं काम हे आपण करणार आहोत.
The expanded Nasik airport will serve as a key industrial hubs including Ambad, Satpur, Sinnar, Malegaon and Igatpuri. Major MIDC zones such as Dhule and Jalgaon will also benefit. As this project will enhance airport capacity, improve cargo handling and strengthen logistics infrastructure. Industries across North Maharashtra are expected to gain faster and more direct access to global markets. Maharashtra's 2025 Davos investment commitments continue to translate into action on the ground. Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated the Toral India Super Manufacturing Plant in Ahilyanagar. Now, this facility has been completed within a year of the investment agreement that was signed at Davos. Reflecting on this year's Davos engagements, the Chief Minister said that Ahilyanagar saw an investment of 12,000 crore rupees, paving way for the creation of 18,000 jobs. The Toral India Super Plant is located in Ahilyanagar and is said to be a part of 16 lakh crore rupees MOUs that was signed in 2025. The project has been completed within a year of the agreement. Now, the government reiterated its focus on fast-track execution, ensuring that investment announcements are converted into functioning industrial projects. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also laid out a bold growth roadmap for Vidarbha. Speaking at the International Business Conclave during Advantage Vidarbha Khastar Audyogik Mahotsav in Nagpur University, the Chief Minister has now pitched Vidarbha as Maharashtra's next industrial engine. The third edition of the Advantage Vidarbha has now facilitated investments worth over 45,000 crore rupees in the region through various projects, providing Vidarbha with significant international exposure. An access-controlled highway will now directly link Vidarbha to the upcoming Vadhavan port. The corridor is now aimed at strengthening industrial logistics and export competitiveness. Now, the Chief Minister described Nagpur as the real center of India, highlighting its strategic and economic importance. In a significant moment for Maharashtra politics, Sunetra Pawar has formally taken charge as the state's Deputy Chief Minister. The Nationalist Congress Party leader assumed her ministerial responsibilities at the Mantralaya, marking a poignant transition in leadership following the tragic death of her husband and former Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Sunetra Pawar becomes the first woman to hold this post in the state, with senior leaders expressing confidence in her commitment to public service and continuity of governance. She attended her first cabinet meeting and was allocated key portfolios including excise, sports, minority welfare and OCF, as she has also become and been appointed as the Guardian Minister of Pune and Beed districts. Before assuming office, Sunetra Pawar offered prayers at the Siddhivinayak temple and paid homage at the memorial of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. She also paid respects by laying a wreath at the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Maharashtra has emerged as India's top destination for foreign tourists. The state has recorded a sharp rise in international arrivals in the past 3 years. The growth reflects a strong recovery in tourism and increasing global confidence in Maharashtra's destinations, infrastructure and connectivity. According to the official data, Maharashtra received 1.512 million foreign tourists in 2022, which rose sharply to 3.388 million in 2023 and further to 3.705 million in 2024, showing more than double growth in 3 years. In 2024, Maharashtra accounted for the highest share of foreign tourist visits in the country at 17.69%, emerging as the top destination in the country. And those were all of the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.